Hey there, glad we could connect. My name is Jesse and I'm the team lead at Team Abarca. I'm proud to be ranked among the top agents in the area, and that means one thing to you: experience and connection that work in your favor. Over the years, I've built strong relationships with lenders, title companies, and home inspectors, leveraging these connections to ensure my clients get the best possible service no matter what the price point. Whether you are a first-time home buyer making your next big move, my team can guide you through that. I also have a dedicated team of showing agents ready to help no matter where you're looking, whether it's Peoria, Buckeye, Tonopah, Maricopa, Queen Creek, we got you covered. Plus, my full-time support staff is here to answer any questions throughout the home buying process, making sure everything runs smoothly. Because of this commitment to service, 95% of my business comes from referrals. My goal? To provide such an amazing experience that you'll feel confident referring your friends and family to me. Ready to get started? Fill out the form below. Lock in your consultation and I'll send you a confirmation right away. Talk to you soon.